you feeling, Spence?
Nervous.
Very nervous?
Not at the point of tears yet.
That could happen.
I'm feeling nervous too.
Kevin's feeling nervous, and he's the one that we're relying on tonight to keep us alive, really.
That's my first time at this.
And this is where we're going to be sleeping. Oh.
And if you just wait there for a second, let me check with you.
I can understand how they feel now on SAS. It's that initial coming over. Now, here we are on our bed for the evening. If you look down there, oh shit, as it moves, there's a nice bit of water. Here's our ledge bed. And my toes. There's Spencer's toes. And there is Spencer. How you feeling, Spence?
Cool, babe. Cool.
It's not affecting you in any way, shape, form?
No, just you talking relentlessly. Here it comes, Lise.
Dessert.
Oh,
Yeah.
Remember what you ordered?
No idea.
No idea.
it is served. Meet the grub.
Oh.
Curry on a ledge.
Carry on the ledge, have it. Let's have
Curry
it.
on a ledge. Curry on a ledge.
Curry on a ledge. Curry on a ledge.
Pudding served. Gooey cheesecake. Here we go. Where are we going?
Right, you stay where you are. Cool. So, you're going to climb back up the ropes, but stay where you are.
Okay. Yeah, it's alright for some, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just watching what's between my legs, right?
No, that's just slightly weird.
Turn around, and then you get onto your knees, and then face the rock. Head, go back tight, and then when you're ready, grab hold of this orange thing and then stand up. Hip thrust.
Alright.
Oh.
You're going to hit. That's it.
Oh, for
You're
fuck's
going to
sake.
need to move into the middle.
I need to come up a bit more.
Yeah. So if you do it at the same time, like hip thrust. There we go. But don't move the handle too far away from your body.
Okay. No less.
Yeah. That's it.
Oh, Christ. That's something for me to worry about all night, isn't it?
Don't make me laugh.
Oh, that's it. That's right. There we go. And if
I'm
you
becoming
wait,
a dab hand.
wait there.
Okay.
See, really smooth there, haven't you?
Yeah. I feel like you said though, once you've done it once, it's not so bad. But the going up is, you need some core strength for that. I won't be having any more wheeze tonight.
Nice, cool.
I'm clipped in.
You are. And then slowly make your way onto the ledge.
Yeah, don't be bouncing down here, babe.
Oh!
We've all had a drink. What do you think of the show so far?
Yeah. Oh, I mean, we've seen loads. Loads of water, more water, and some more. A couple of boats. Time to put the mat out.
Are you overtired, Lise?
And here we are. It's time for bed. It's getting dark out there. Hopefully we get some stars. Oh, toasty toes.
Toasty toes.
Toasty toes. Spencer's on the edge. He's hardcore. Say good night, Spence.
Right, Spence.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning.
4:30 now, babe.
4:30 now. And I'm now struggling to sleep. Most uncomfortable bed ever. Spence is snoozing.
Spence is not bloody snoozing, is he, mate?
How are you feeling, Spence?
Just like I need to stand up, really.
Yeah.
Stretch my legs.
What a sunrise this morning.
Morning.
There's a little seal down there. He's poked his head up to say hello. Morning, you alright?
Oh, morning.
We've got a seal.
he's
Oh, is he gone?
Oh, did you?
Yeah, he's just gone. He's just been looking at us. Just say, what are you weirdos doing? There he is. Hello, mate. Oh, he's gone again.
Oh,
Yeah.
so if you move over to that side, so get onto your knees. Try and relax, and then move this on this side through here. Stand up. Give the camera a wave. Few moments.
Yeah.
Well done.